Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Cooper's Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2006 BK Mazda 3 SP23 sedan, stock reference number 4460. This shape runs from the 10th month 2003 through to the 4th month 2009. It has an L3 2.3 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 6-speed manual front-wheel drive transmission. L3 2.3 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the front. We have the left-hand fog light with surround. Left guard has a slight fold on the front edge. Fitted with 17-inch factory alloy mags. Left front has a bald tyre. Left power door mirror. Left-hand side skirt. Left rear door has a couple of small dents. Left rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a bald tyre. We have the left-hand tail light. Left-hand boot lid garnish. Boot lid appears to have no damage. Does have some clear peeling on the spoiler. Average rear bumper cover. Right hand boot lid garnish, right hand tail light, right rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, right rear door has a couple of small dents, right side skirt, right front door also has a couple of small dents, right power door mirror, right guard appears to have no damage, and a right front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a bald tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black leather interior. Does have mould on the seats as well as the centre console. 6-speed manual gear shifter, climate control, heated controls, 6-stack CD player, display cluster, courtesy lamp, left-hand sun visor, right-hand sun visor, and a 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise and audio buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.